In the competitive arena of reliable product delivery, there is little place or grace for outdated and less than perfect labeling systems. Enter the Okavango horizontal roll-through high-speed labeling system for all cylindrical cans and glass or plastic jars. Several years of intensive operational studies, as well as practical on-site research and development, has resulted in the manufacture of a high-speed labeling machine that is ready to meet the ever-increasing demands of today's clients. The OLS labeller occupies a small operational footprint without compromising efficiency, flexibility and reliability, and runs at true high speeds, ensuring that your production line keeps delivering. The machine was also designed with safety and ergonomics in mind, which allows for effortless installation, operation and maintenance, but with enough flexibility to suit the most demanding production requirements. A closer look reveals what makes the OLS horizontal labeller such an outstanding machine. The success of any machine will ultimately be tested by how productively it operates, and in this area, the OLS most certainly measures up. With a rated output of up to 1,000 units per minute, and sometimes in excess of this depending on the container size, the OLS will comfortably meet the demand of modern production requirements. From its hassle-free gravity feed system all the way through to the product outlet, the entire machine is designed with simplicity and productivity in mind, all without compromising operational safety or wastage. Overturned containers in the feed conveyor will exit the run by means of a gravity dropout system before reaching the inlet, preventing feed stoppages, maintaining uninterrupted production. Operation speeds can be adjusted to run in perfect harmony and synchronization with the container feed system. This feature further eliminates stop-start situations and also will greatly minimize wastage. A digital tachometer constantly indicates the current speed in containers per minute. The innovative guide rail design allows for containers to be closer together when rolling through the machine. Within easy reach of the operator is the label height adjustment mechanism. Once again, another feature that allows for adjustment without production interruption. Since the glue temperature is a vital element in a successful product, a timer is fitted to pre-warm the glue before production begins, and an electronic temperature control system faithfully maintains the correct temperatures for the adhesive. Dry glue may be added into the protected melting pot during operation. One of the OLS's outstanding features is the dual label feed system that enables the machine to run while labels are replenished. A low label warning light will alert the operator when to replenish the label stack. Additional labels are then placed on the bottom feeder and manipulated into position with hydraulic lifting devices. These labels are not damaged when the new stack is released, as no mechanical levers or handwheels are required. For operator safety and convenience, all production run adjustments can be made from one side of the machine, keeping the operator in complete control at all times. In a nutshell, the OLS high-speed labeller has been designed with ease of operation, uninterrupted productivity and user safety all high on the agenda. Continued reliability is also a standard feature, and the machine in the foreground has already labelled more than 80 million cans, and any signs of wear are hardly visible. Of utmost importance to quality assurance and control and the appearance of the final product is uniformity and consistency. To ensure that every label is attached perfectly square and sealed wrinkle-free, an array of unique innovations can be found on the Okavango High-Speed Labeller. And again, simplicity is the key to this success. From the moment the labels are fed into the lifting device, they remain straight and aligned. No label forks are required. To keep the pressure constant on the label stack, the feed-up is activated after every 5 labels pass through. Strategically mounted restrainer knives prevent labels from being pulled forward during pickup. A rotating curling bar eliminates label tearing after operational stop-start. No label wastage. Once the label is picked up from the stack and rotated, a center-mounted incline pressure strip assists in sealing the label from the inside out, making for wrinkle-free application. It also means that the container does not have to climb onto the seaming pad, but is rather rolled onto it via the incline. The no-can, no-paste system that prevents glue application when no containers are present economizes paste usage. The system also prevents any glue buildup. A true gem in accuracy, consistency and reliability, the Okavango labeling system will keep production flowing and assure quality control. The key to the extremely low maintenance requirements of the Okavango labeling system begins with its super-efficient hydraulic drive system. Apart from centralizing the power plant of the machine, the need for other drive motors, sprockets, chains, V-belts or gears are eliminated. This also means less lubricating points and therefore a cleaner machine. To conform with international standards, all parts are machined to the metric scale, including all bolts, bearings and bushes, etc. By eliminating the use of cast iron parts, all brackets, bowls and assembled parts are easy to repair if ever required. The lap paste system is manufactured from high-grade stainless steel, and other working parts are electro-galvanized or hard-chromed. Exposed surfaces are coated with epoxy-type paint to render it scratch and corrosion resistant, as well as making it easy to keep clean. Turnover time between various sizes of containers has been minimized and is performed with very few tools. All in all, the low maintenance requirements of the OLS contributes to its overall productivity, and through careful design, we have manufactured a machine that will perform with high degrees of reliability. At OLS, we always put safety first. This is evident throughout the design of the machine. From the strategically mounted main isolator on the side of the machine, the control voltage corresponds with the international standard of 24-volt DC. Silicon-based wiring prevents corrosion, hardening or brittleizing of insulation material and extends operation time. Less moving parts means less opportunity of accidental contact or injury. Thus, we've designed the machine with as few exposed moving parts as practically possible. Where any unsafe exposure may present itself, we have already taken the necessary steps to eliminate the risk. Apart from the standard safety features, additional safety covers can be provided when identified or required. With all of these and many other less visible safety features built into the Okavango labeling system, your operators will feel secure and can confidently continue to keep the production run flowing. The Okavango horizontal roll-through labeller is a culmination of innovative design and engineering ingenuity, born through practical experience and time-proven reliability. Productivity, accuracy, low maintenance and inherent safety features are all parcel of this system. With a variety of container sizes as well as two-piece cans, the Okavango can handle the job. And it's no wonder that those in operation keep on running, but change. Very competitively priced in its class and with fast, reliable service on the doorstep in South Africa, the Okavango High-Speed Labeling System is a first-choice system for the productivity-oriented buyer. Larger machines for greater container sizes are also available. The Okavango Horizontal Roll-Through High-Speed Labeller, in a class of its own.